Hey guys, and welcome to another item shop update. As always, we are starting off with the Street Serpent pack, as well as the Corrupted Legends pack. On our featured list, we have a bunch of these type of skins, which does include this one right here, this one, the male version, another male version, as well as this one right here, and finally the last one from this type of collection. Next up, also under featured, is this awesome outfit with a huge backbling with the perfect harvesting tool to go along with it. The very last outfit in our featured list with the male version right here and the harvesting tool. Under our daily section, we have the Arctic Assassin, as well as this outfit and the harvesting tool introduced in season 1. Last but not least, all our emotes, which does include Crazy Boy and Shuffle. However, under special offers, we have Recon Expert, John Wick, and Sophia. Let's not forget about this harvesting tool, this emote right here, as well as this emote, and this wrap, which is the last thing on our list. Anyways, that would be it for this item shop update. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.